My name's Matt. I work for Waldinger. I work in the service department here in Omaha. I do tab work, so I balance air and hydronic systems. What I like about my job most is the people that I work with. We've all worked together for quite a while now. A lot of the people in the office I've known for quite a while. A lot of familiar faces in the office and out in the field. For our projects, we have meetings beforehand to make sure that the job goes smoothly, and then we have a weekly balancing meeting to make sure that everything's on schedule and safety and everything's getting talked about and scheduled and communicated properly. It's never hard to get tools that you need to do your job safely. I know a lot of other companies, their guys complain to us that they don't get what they need and they end up doing things unsafely to get the job done, whereas at Waldinger, we definitely get what we need to get it done safely. Our management here at Waldinger's always had an open door policy, so we can always come to them with concerns and issues that do arise on our jobs, and we always get them taken care of in a timely fashion. I don't feel like I'm being micromanaged. I feel like they give you a chance to rise to the occasion and run your own work. I started here in 2005. I worked in the shop for a couple of years, in and out of the shop, and worked in the field doing sheet metal fabrication and install. And shortly after that, I got a chance to move into the service department. It's been a great experience growing with the company.